Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily insert memory card into TP-LINK Tapo C220 camera. So first, open the app and select your camera. In here, select pan and tilt it all the way up. After you do that, simply take the camera into your own hands, and here right at the bottom we have our microSD slot. Now enter it, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.